Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's tap on Date and Time, so this third option. And here, first of all, we have to turn off automatic options, because as you can see, we've got automatic date, time, and the time zone. So first of all, turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on Set Date and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on Done. Then the time, so set time and change it just by swiping. Tap on Done. Select time zone. Tap on region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So scroll and find the region you'd like to set. It will be immediately applied. And here the time format, so this is the only format we can change. We cannot change, for example, a date format. Only okay, so just give me a second, I will come back to the same section. Alright, so I said that we can change the time format only. So now we are using the 24-hour one. If we will turn it off, we will set 12-hour format. So it's obviously up to you which option you prefer. So this is the whole customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here to use automatic date, time, and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.